Hello, student teacher sponsors. I'm just doing a quick video on the evaluation form that we will review during this first triad for your student teacher. So what I have here is the evaluation form for student teachers. I did attach it in the last email that I sent to you. And if I saw you in person during observation 1, you received a hard copy of this. I will attach a copy to this email as well. So this is the document we will be reviewing during the triad evaluation this week, and we will also do it in week 8 as well. So the first page is simply reviewing the criteria the student teacher is evaluated on, and it's aligned with the standards from our InTask accreditation agency. As we scroll through the next page, the next few pages are a checklist that we use to evaluate the student teacher. The criteria here is the highest level of criteria, highly effective for the student teacher. You will notice that this is color coded. The first section is green, which is on lesson planning, and it's on the lesson plan that's being observed the day that I come in to do the evaluation. Or if the student is recording the lesson, it is for the lesson that has been recorded. So you simply go through, look at the criteria. You'll score it at whatever level you feel it's at, 3, 2, 1, or 0. There's a more detailed rubric at the end, which I will show you in just a minute. And you are able to take some notes and make some comments here if you like. I've asked the student teacher to do the same on their checklist. When we meet, I will share notes that I have. Your student teacher will share where they think they fall within this evaluation assessment, and then you will share as well. The teacher candidate will actually do a majority of the talking, or the expectation is that they do a majority of the talking through the evaluation. So prior to the day of this evaluation, the student teacher, you and me, should be able to do some feedback in the green section of this lesson plan, this evaluation form. The blue section is on the teaching, so this will get filled out sort of in real time with the lesson that's being observed. And then the orange section is professional dispositions, and this can actually be filled out in advance too, which is on the professional behaviors of the student teacher. Again, all the criteria is here, and this is all the highest level criteria the student teacher can meet. So I'm going to actually jump to where we have a more detailed rubric. This aligns with that checklist that I just showed you that begins on page 2. And you can see the variances of highly effective, effective, developing, and ineffective. We expect by week 4 that most of our candidates are between developing and effective. Some areas could be developing, some areas could be effective, but we certainly do not expect to see highly effective by week 4. This rubric will help you fill out the information in the checklist. All right, so another section that I want to point out, which is page 8, it's just before the rubric. So what this section allows us to do is pinpoint the strengths and the areas of improvement for the student teacher, and this will be central to our discussion. I know that was a super quick overview, but if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. But I'll see all of you this week, and hopefully we'll have a smooth first triad with your student teachers. Have a great day.